Welcome to Language Booster TV. I am your teacher Eric Bunani. Today we are going to learn English Swahili most used expressions. We are going to see most used expression in Swahili and we will translate them in English. Yes, are you ready for the lesson of today? Let us go. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Language Booster TV. Like our videos, comment where necessary. Tell us the lesson you want to study next time. Yes, let us go. The expression number 1 is, do you understand? Do you understand? So in Swahili is, je, unaelewa? Je, unaelewa? Do you understand? Do you listen? Je, unasikia? Je, unasikia? Who do you love? Who do you love? Unapenda ni nani? Who, nani? Hapa I've made a mistake. Sio nani, sio nini, ni nani. Who. Nini ni what. What do you love? Unapenda nini? Who do you love? Unapenda nani? I love you. Katika Kiswahili, ninakupenda. Ninakupenda. I love you. Ninakupenda. Congratulations. Sometimes when someone has achieved a great achievement, you can tell him or her, congratulations, congratulations. So in Swahili we say hongera sana, hongera sana. Yes, hongera sana kwa kushinda mtihani. Congratulations for passing exam. Hongera sana kwa kutimia na kumaliza mashule yako. Congratulations for completing your studies. Hongera sana. The next expression is excellent. Excellent. Excellent means when someone also do a good job, a great job, you can tell him or her excellent. Excellent in Swahili is vizuri sana. Vizuri sana. On the other side, you can tell someone sorry when you have made mistake to him or her. Sorry. Sorry for being late. Sorry in Swahili is samahani. Samahani. Sorry for being late. Samahani kwa kuchelewa. To be late. Kuchelewa. Samahani kwa kuchelewa. Another expression that has the similar meaning with to excuse me, it is sorry. Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me and sorry have the same meaning somehow. Excuse me. In Swahili you can say excuse me, tafadhali. 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 Can say tafadhali, tafadhali, excuse me. Tafadhali, excuse me. Excuse me for being late. Tafadhali kwa kuchelewa. So the next expressions are let's go. Let's go. So let's go in Swahili is tuende. Tuende. Let's go to the market. Tuende sokoni. Let's go to the school. Tuende shuleni. The next expression is keep silence. Keep silence. In Swahili we say nyamaza, acha kelele. Nyamaza au acha kelele. Nyamaza. The next expression is nice journey. Nice journey. Nice journey in Swahili is safari njema. Safari njema. So See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So see you tomorrow in Swahili is tuonane kesho. Tuonane kesho. See you tomorrow. When someone has the relative or parents or anyone in his family who has passed away or died, you can tell him condolence, condolence, condolence. Condolence in Swahili is makiwa, 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 makiwa ndugu yangu, makiwa. The next expression is good night. Good night is jioni njema au usiku mwema. Jioni njema cyangwa se kabavuga usiku mwema. How's the night? How's the night in Swahili is umelalaje? Umelalaje? Yes, these are expressions. Which expression have you liked? Which expression have you liked? Which one are you going to use in your daily conversation? Try today to apply the lesson you have studied today. Great. So the next expression is I will never forget you. I will never forget you. I will never forget you in Swahili means sitakusahau. Sitakusahau kamwe. I will never forget you. Sitakusahau kamwe. Kamwe. Never. Kamwe. Never. I will follow you like your shadow. I will follow you like your shadow. In Swahili is nitakufuata kama kivuli. Nitakufuata kama kivuli. Yes, you can tell this expression to your lover, your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. It is a good and it sounds sweet. I will never forget you. Sitakusahau kamwe. I will follow you like your shadow. Nitakufuata kama kivuli. Kivuli means shadow in Swahili, in English. Kivuli in Swahili, shadow in English. I really love you. I really love you. Ninakupenda kwa dhati. Really love you. Kwa dhati. Kwa dhati. Ninakupenda kwa dhati. You complete me. You complete me. Unanifaa. Unanifaa. Ndugu yangu, unanifaa. Mupenzi, unanifaa. This is also another sweet word you can tell your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your wife, your husband. Yes, it is good and it sounds sweet. Unanifaa kabisa. You complete me. You help me. You help me. In Swahili you say unanisaidia. Unanisaidia. Yes, let us go. Yes, have you remembered to subscribe to our channel so that you can get more lessons about these 3 languages, English, Swahili, and Kinyarwanda? If these videos are helpful to you, remember to click on like, comment where possible, tell us the lesson you wish to study in one of these languages. Are you ready for the next expressions? Yes. I will love you forever. I will love you forever. In Swahili utasema nitakupenda milele na milele. I will love you forever. Nitakupenda milele na milele. Another expression is are you sure? Are you sure? This is a question that is asked to someone to make sure that what he is saying is true and certain. Are you sure in Swahili is unasema kweli? Unasema kweli? Great. The another expression is don't try me. Don't lie me. Don't lie me. In Swahili we say usinidanganye. Usinidanganye. Don't lie me. Usinidanganye. Another expression is help me. Help me. Help me. Nisaidie. Help me, my friend. Nisaidie ndugu yangu. Another expression is hurry up. Hurry up or be quick. Hurry up in Swahili we will say kimbia haraka. Kimbia haraka. Kimbia haraka kabisa. Another expression is follow here. This expression can be used mostly in class. We use it mostly in class. Follow here. Follow here, please. Follow here, please. Follow here. In Swahili we say fuata hapa. Fuata hapa. Fuata hapa. Or you can say look at here. Look at here. In Swahili we say angalia hapa. Angalia hapa. You can tell your students, if you are a teacher, look at here or follow here. Fuata hapa au angalia hapa. So the last expressions we are going to see in this lesson is have you finished? Have you finished? This expression is also mostly used at school. Teacher can ask the student if they have finished the work or homework or any exercise. So in Swahili you will say umemaliza, or that one is one student. When there are many we say mumemaliza ndio au hapana. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. You want to wish someone to enjoy the meal, you will say in Swahili chakula njema. Chakula njema. Another expression is go out. You can tell someone to go out. Go out, please. Go out. Toka nje. Toka nje. Here, don't read nje. It is nje. Au nenda nje. Nenda nje. Yes. Clean the blackboard. Clean the blackboard. In Swahili we say futa ubao. Futa ubao. Clean the blackboard. Futa ubao. The next expression is open the door. Open the door. In Swahili we say fungua mlango. Fungua mlango. The last one is do you believe me? Do you believe me? Je, unaniamini? Je, unaniamini? Yes, these are most used expressions in Swahili and you have translated in English so that to help you to master these three languages consecutively. If you like our videos, subscribe, share, and like. Comment in the comment section. Tell us the lesson you want to study. Tell us the expression that you have liked and that you mostly use. Tell us the expression you are going to use mostly in your conversation with your friends. Thank you very much. This is Language Booster TV. I'm your teacher, Eric. I love you and I wish you to master these three languages so that you can be multilingual. Yes, you can express you can express in different languages when we live in different communities which use these languages. Great.